students, this is third lecture of the crop production. In this, we will discuss the preparation of the soil. The preparation of the soil includes two steps. Now, first step is loosening of the soil. That means the air gap should be present inside the soil. Second is stirring of the soil. The turning of the soil refers to the soil present inside the earth. We must bring up that soil that is more fertile than the topsoil. Now, it is done by the process called as plowing. And plowing is done by the plow. The plow is shown here. The plow are of two types, that is wooden plow and the iron plow. And both are pulled by the help of animals or tractors. In the modern world, the tractors and the iron plow is used for the plowing. Now, after the plowing, the lumps of the soil is left over. For breaking these lumps, we do the process called as leveling. And leveling is done by the help of leveler. Now, leveling is most essential process because it prevents the soil erosion, that is most vulnerable thing for the fertility of the soil. It reduces the fertility of the soil. Now, the loosening and the turning of the soil has following advantages. Now, first, loosened soil has air taps. Due to this, roots can easily breathe and gets nitrogen. Now, second, the loosened soil allows the root to penetrate easily. Due to this, the plant gets more strength. Third, the loosened soil helps in the growth of microbes. These microbes provide the nutrient and helps in the further loosening of the soil. Third, the loosened soil mix more uniformly with the fertilizer and provides the fertility of the soil. Thank you. This is only in